Hai, video ini akan dimulai dalam 5 detik lagi. So, subscribe sekarang di bawah bagi yang belum. Go, 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 Power Rangers. Thank you so much. Thank you. 3, 2, 1, action.
Hello guys, welcome back to my video. And don't forget to give me a many subscribe, like and comment. And this time we will to discuss about spark plug. Let's join with me. Spark plug is a device for delivering electric current from the ignition system to the combustion chamber of the spark ignition engine to ignite the compressed fuel air mixture by an electric spark. While containing combustion pressure within the engine, a spark plug has a metal thread cell electrically isolated from a central electrode by a porcelain insulator. The central electrode, which may contain a resistor, is connected by heavily insulated wire to the output terminal of ignition coil or magneto. The spark plug metal cell is a screw in the engine cylinder head and thus electrically grounded. The central electrode protrudes through the porcelain insulator and the combustion chamber, forming one or more spark gaps between the inner and if the central electrode and usually one more protuberance of the structure acted to the inner and the thread cell always design the side earth of the ground electrodes. Spark plug also be used for the purpose in sub-direct ignition when there are not firing. Spark plug are used to measure ionization in the cylinders. This ionic current measurement in user replace the ordinary cam past the sensor, knock sensor, and the misfire measurement function. Spark plug may also be used in the application such as furnace, wherein the combustible fuel or air mixture must be ignited. In this case, there are some referred to flame igniters. Spark plug construction. A spark plug is composed of the cell, insulator, and the central conductor. It passes through to the wall of the combustion chamber and therefore must also shield the combustion chamber against high pressure and the temperature without deteriorating over the long periods of the time and extended use. Part of the spark plug. First, terminal. The top of the spark plug contains a terminal connect to the ignition system. Over the years, variation in the terminal configuration have been introduced by manufacturers. The extent for the terminal construction varies depending of the use. The spark plug. Most passenger cars part lock wires and snap onto the terminal on the plug, but some wires have the A-lead connector which are fastened on the plug under a nut. The standard solid on the removable nut SAA configuration is common for many cars and trucks. Plug with the use for the application of the end of terminal serve double purpose on the nut on the thread shaft onto they can be used each type of connection. The second, insulator. The main of part the insulator is typically made from sintered alumina and very hard ceramic material with the high electric strength. Print the manufacturing name, identifying marks. The glazed intrude-proof, resistant to first spark tracking. Its major function are to provide mechanical support and electrical insulation for the central electrode, while also providing an extended spark path of the flashover protection. This extended portion, and particularly in the engines with the deeply researched plug, have extended the terminal above the cylinder head so as to make it ready to exhibit. A future feature of the sintered aluminium is a good heat conduction, reducing the tension for the insulator to glow with the heat and so like the mixture prematurely. And the third is ribs. By lightening the surface between the high voltage terminal and the grounded metal case of the spark plug, the physical shape of the ribs function to improve the electrical insulation and prevent electrical energy from leaking along insulator surface from the terminal to the metal case. This sculpted and longer path makes the electric counter move the resistance along the surface on the spark plug, even the disappearance of dirt and moisture. Some spark plugs are manufactured without ribs. Improvement in the electric strength of the insulator make them less important. And the fourth, seals. Seals, because the spark plug also seals the combustion chamber of the engine. When installed, seals are required to ensure there is no leakage from the combustion chamber. The internal seals of modern plugs are made of compressed glass or metal powder. Both old-style seals were typically made by the use of all multi-layer brace. The external seal is usually a cross washer, but some manufacturers use the chapter method of the taper interface as simple compression to attempt sealing. And the fifth, metal case of cell. The metal case or cell of the spark plug withstand the torque of the lightning. The plug serve to remove heat from the insulator and pass it on the cylinder head, and act the ground for the spark passing to through the central electrode to set electrode. Spark plug threads are cooled rolled to prevent thermal cycle fatigue. It's important to install spark plug with the correct reach, other than length. Spark plug can vary in from 0.095 to 2.2649 cm. So for automotive and the small engine application, also a marine spark plug, and the shell is double dipped zinc chromate coat metal. Be enough for discussion. This time we will meet in the next video. Please give me a many like, comment and subscribe, and see you next on the new video. See you guys.